Okay, it's Angelo here again uh, with the unboxing of the Harnds Disguiser. The Harnds Disguiser. Harnds knives and tool. Handy for life, hardy for survival. This is the second Harnds knife I bought. And I liked the first one, which was the Warrior. Got a lot of people watching to see this one. This is a sweet knife too. I should. Well, this is the Warrior. Bought this previously. That's why I bought this next one, because this quality of the Warrior I thought was pretty good for a budget knife. So let's break this one open. It's like I said, it's the Harnds Disguiser. Comes in a pretty plain box, but that's all right. It comes in some plastic, and this is here's the knife itself. That side and that side. All right. You get the knife, the box, and some instructions with it. And here's like the maintenance. I should probably read that sometime. Anyways, so there's what you get in the box. Pretty normal. Nothing exciting, but the important part is the knife itself. That's why we buy knives, not for the boxes. Okay, so this actually is a frame lock. Let's do the I don't know, the train go across so you can get a real good look at it. It's camouflage handle. It's G10. It has like a clear slash almost a green appearance sometimes. I think it collects the hue of the camouflage. The reverse side is you can see there's a drop point. There's the frame lock with the over travel. So, and it's not deep carry. It's got a swoop. It's very tight. The clip is very tight. Let's see, pass through design or open pillar. There is only one piece of metal. The other side is actually all G10. Has jimping on the so you can get your thumb up here. Has a really, listen to this. It has a really, sound lockup, like, yeah. It's really, well, here's the lockup. I don't know, some people might think that's not far enough in, but it's pretty thick. I don't know, it's pretty, to me, it's pretty good. So, and this, the Disguiser is the model number, and it's made with 9 CR 18 MOV steel. It's a step above. It's a step above the 8 CR 13 and OS 8. Some people say it came from the factory. Shaving sharp. I actually took a strop to it and got a little sharper, but it came pretty sharp. You won't need to sharpen it right off the bat. I might not, depending on what I do with it. It feels really well made, like the Warrior. Everything seems to be well made and like refined. There's no, I don't know. It just seems really nice. Let's see so the actual length of it is, let's see if I can slide this up so you can see. We'll put this at the tip. It's a little over 8 inches long. It's a drop point, stonewash blade, the 9 CR 18. The handle is 4.5 inches long. About 4.5 inches long. Camouflage G10 scale. You see that with this like almost like a taper or like they smoothed it out. Excuse me. So, but the flip side is frame lock, of course. So it's all stonewash black to match the blade. And on Amazon, it says this frame lock is the whole frame is supposed to be 2 CR13. So, I mean, that's like some of the real cheap knife steel, like on the blade. So, I'm pretty sure this is going to be a pretty durable frame. I think I mentioned before, it has an overstop travel, so when you can't overextend this, so it'll stop you from overextending it. And I did put a little pivot oil on there, but I mean, it coming from the factory, it was all right, but I mean, it's not quite drop shut right now, but it's not bad. The pivot is nylon washers, which that might be the only negative. It does have nylon washers, but it seems pretty, it still goes pretty smooth. The pocket clip is not deep carry, but let's see what we got. We got this piece of paper. It's real tight, so I almost got a piece of paper, but this is what if you had it in your back pocket or something, it'd be something like that. It has a lanyard hole, you can see that, but it's got like a little neat little, I don't know if it's design, it's kind of got like a little swoop on the pocket clip, but like I said, it's not deep carried. It only is one position. It's tip up right-handed carry. So if you're a lefty, then I guess you're out of luck. And some people might not like this, but the pivot screws, they're all, you can't adjust it unless I guess you have a proprietary tool. I do not, so I might look up something on Amazon, but I didn't have to adjust anything. It came from the factory good, and there's no lockup or no wiggle, no play. I'm really, Harnds, I'm impressed. I have 2 of their knives, and both of them are pretty good. Let's see, the overall length, it says 8.5. Came shaving sharp. I would most definitely buy again if I wanted another one, because I got this off 30% off. I think it was regularly $23, and I think I paid $18. And there are only 7 of them left on Amazon. I think they're $16 to $17 right now. And I would give this a 5 out of 5 just because the price. You get a lot of knife for 17, 18 bucks. A lot of knife. Let's do a real quick, trying to see if I can slip this in under 10 minutes. Size comparison with some of these other knives I got laying out. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Real quick, let's burn this out. All right, Tenacious. Bam. It's bigger than the Tenacious. Bigger than Tenacious. One more thing for I moved. Tenacious weighs 4.5 ounces. 4.05 ounces. And this is actually that's one, I guess, one negative. It is a 6.5 ounces. It's on the heavier side. So there is one negative that I could see. So anyway, so I'll go on. Like it's bigger than the Tenacious. There's the Gerber flat iron. It is bigger than that one, but here's another one I got from a buddy at work. I'm gonna sharpen a buck, a real common knife everybody has. There's a buck. It's bigger than all these knives, except so. And then we'll compare it to the actual its brother, the bigger brother, the Harnds Warrior, and it's about the Harnds Warrior is a little bigger. But it's kind of like, I like this size of knife. I think I really like this. It's not too big, and here's if people say that's a really big knife, and here's like a lot of people everyday carry the Tenacious, but some will feel kind of small in my hand. But man, this one, it just feels, I like this one. I can't, how else can I say it? And for the price, like this cost me $40. The Tenacious. I can't remember how much the Harnds Warrior cost, but well, here, let's get rid of the Harnds Warrior and put the flat iron. Flat iron cost me, I want to say around the 30 mark, 29. That's without the copper scale, just a regular scale. And this has, I think it has, man, I wonder if it has 7 CR, or it's either 8 CR or the 7 CR. This has 8 CR13, and this one has a better still. Well, allegedly a better still. It's 9 CR18. So, and this was 18 bucks. So these two outprice it. So the price to value to money, I think, is outstanding for this Harnds Warrior. And I bought it myself. No one sent it to me. It's just, I think it's a really good deal. Let's put it back with this bigger brother, the Harnds Warrior, Harnds Disguiser. This is the Harnds Disguiser, Harnds Warrior. Get rid of this. Let's go. So, Harnds Warrior, thumbs up. Actually, 2 thumbs up. I like it. All right, have a good day. Bye.